And so we went just above the tree line, and Steve set up his nets. And this was the second time ever in the history of the universe that anybody has gone up there to do ornithological research. So it was the second ever ornithological expedition above the tree line in the Andes. They haven't even done it, in other parts of the Andes above the tree line. Granted, the tree line in other parts of the Andes is quite a bit higher than it is there, but we caught some interesting birds. Some of them were the same birds you find down like in the park, the rayaditos and the jilguero. But then there's some up in the mountains, like the yellow-bridled finch, or as they call it in Spanish, the yellow cordillerano, and the dark-faced ground tyrant, which I don't know what they call it in Spanish. It's weird because Steve refers to some birds by their Spanish names and some by their English names. I never know, what's a good thing to say to end a video. I'm Edward Armorow. Good night and good luck.